Just when we thought it couldn't get any worse, it did. I'm kidding. Welcome back to episode 8. Today's gonna be day 11, and so hopefully we get a lot done. So far they've been here for like an hour. I've been here for probably half that. We haven't got much done except ruin parts. Well, one of them. Yeah, let's get in there and start the episode, I guess. It's cold out there. Don't be like me. Don't be dumb. Don't wear short sleeves out there. It's cold. Here's the current state of the engine. It's got a lot of brake cleaner on it, so hopefully we didn't damage anything. So the part we broke. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a seal, and if you couldn't tell, it's got a hole in it, like right there. So it's not gonna seal anything if it's broken. All right, what are we working on over here?
Stuff you should be doing.
Well, I should know. I can know what I should be doing if you just tell me.
Oh, you did already have lunch, didn't you?
Yeah. I told him I wasn't gonna work until I had lunch, and now I'm 2 tacos and 1 burrito down. So, and a C4.
By the way, I need more caffeine, and find the torque specs for those bolts that we need done.
Those ones. Okay, so
These ones down there at the water pump.
on my series, yeah, I want to be filmed. All right, so I gotta go find the torque specs.
On your series,
It is on my channel. Yes.
It is on Joshy's channel. It
it's
was
my channel now.
No, it's not. All right, so I gotta find the torque specs to the bolts we never really had to take off, and costed him $150 more.
Wait,
So-
what?
The camshaft, bro. All right, so let's go find those torque specs. The best tool to ever use in school or whatever you need is ChatGPT. It gives you all the answers you could possibly need.
If Mr. watching this,
I only use it for inspiration. This man thinks he's deprived of caffeine,
Deprived of sleep, but I need caffeine in order to balance that.
but he's broke.
You
So
know.
he's broke, so he can't afford caffeine.
I'm not broke. I'm just going to spend it. What's equivalent to 13, but in metric?
There is a computer right next to you.
you have a literal iMac right next to you. A 27-inch 5K screen iMac.
Oh, getting fancy with the stats over here.
16 gigabytes of RAM. 42 teraflops of SSD.
Teraflops. And what's on those teraflops?
Oregon Trail.
What am I supposed to do, man?
That's what I'm waiting for, but they're taking over.
Should we go get him caffeine?
What?
Should we go get him caffeine?
I don't want to pay somebody for a tiny can. It's real tiny.
Yeah, he's gonna go through it like crazy too.
I know. That's the only reason. Like, I could make a can last a whole week. He can make a can last through a whole day. Not even.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, you're recording this, aren't you?
Yeah. Yo, dude, it's funny. It's funny, dude. It's for the it's for the content.
We're not gonna post it. We're not gonna post it. I think they found your search history.
What?
Sponsored by Evergreen. Use Evergreen for all your videography and photography needs, sports events or catering.
In an earlier video, I showed you all pictures of like a nice wrap, and so I was thinking on like this back half right here, it goes and it's just wrapped. So it's like a dark green, and then like the back half's got that like evergreen with like the trees in the background. Dude, that would look sick. I want your opinion on how you guys think that would look. And I can't tell my Photoshop, so I can't really like Photoshop it on there. And
Okay.
But-
Another good idea would be to just wrap the whole thing black too on top of that. Do the idea, but wrap it black.
wrap what black? If you do like a dark green, then with that. Oh, you know, if you did it all black and then like the back part was like the green with like black trees, like that would be cool too.
Or don't have the tree outlines be green. So do my logo, but on black.
Like all with like green
Everything's black and then have a green outline trees.
with evergreen. It's
Yeah.
green too. Yeah, dude, that would be sick.
With our official evergreen color.
All right, what's our goal for today? How far are we trying to get?
Be quiet.
What? I'm asking a genuine question. I'm sorry, there can't be much more than 2 people working on the car at once because of just like there's not much room.
Fix the seals.
How? You said don't
Go put the other ones in.
Dude, the sound that made was so funny. I didn't get it on video though. I'm sorry. It's just spinning. You can feel it spin.
We're gonna take a little detour.
Oh boy.
We got good. Oh, so we don't.
Oh, we're gonna go right there.
That was horrible.
Dude is so good with it. Like, he's low-key, like, he's good with it, bro. Like, this is front wheel. You gotta think about that. He's actually getting the back end out. Like, he's crazy good.
We need another brass brush.
Why?
Did you break them?
No,
They're too small?
but I need another one.
Why?
So we can get more stuff done.
I thought, didn't you get 4 of them? Like 3?
No, you can only use brass. You only have one brass. That's why I told you to get brass brushes, not multi-pack.
Well, that's all they had in AutoZone.
You should be able to find them.
Casey's?
I doubt Casey's would have them. Are you going to Casey's?
Yeah. Well, I have to get your pouches.
Fine, don't give me the good ones.
What?
What?
Okay.
So pouch or no pouch?
Pouches.
Okay. Brass or no brass?
Brass.
Okay.
All I need is brass.
All right, right here.
Oh wait, how'd you know walk out here?
Well, I opened the garage door and she go that way. That way. I was getting.
Right after it, bro. Okay, so in my Pontiac, because I don't know how to spin it. If I were to hypothetically want to spin it, what would I need to do?
Traction control off and put it in second gear. Second gear.
What is putting it straight in second gear bad for it?
It's going first. Like start spinning as soon as your tire starts spinning. Like just going. Put it in second.
Okay.
It's just used first to get your wheels to turn a little bit.
Yeah.
Then put it in second. Someone in the comment section is gonna be like, no.
Bro really bought a Cybertruck just to go to McDonald's? He's probably gonna get like one of those meal deals too. I want to get your hot take on something real quick. All right, so in a world where we roll past stop signs and take corners fast, like you're not slowing down, like when you take a turn, like for me specifically left-hand turns, like I won't slow down as much. Technically, I'm better on fuel than someone who slows down for a curve and then accelerates for the curve, like after the curve, right? I'm technically better on fuel mileage, right? Because you're maintaining speed rather than losing all of it by braking and then accelerating. So technically, I'm saving the environment by driving fast. All right, so today's Bible verse, while my hands are in, like my life is in this guy's hand, is in this guy's hands, brings us today's random Bible verse presented to you by ChatGPT and Siri. For today's Bible verse says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." And that Bible verse comes from Jeremiah 29:11 in NIV. So I hope this benefits one of you. And if you guys aren't reading your Bible, you guys should. Even if it's on app on your phone. If you don't own a Bible, there are lots of free apps that you can use to read your Bible. And there are plenty of, also something I like to use are devotionals that they kind of help break it down a little bit and give you some things you might be able to relate to a little bit more than the Bible and put it to more perspective and get another aspect of a certain thing. Anything else to say to that?
No, read your Bible. It's very important.
Very important. And something else I want to go ahead and say is that everything you do, you should do with the Lord at the center of it. It's something my pastor was saying today, and it's something I feel like I should pass on. And also, where I'm at, it's snowing, and I know California is dealing with a lot of wildfires. And so, be kind to someone today, tomorrow, the next day. Help someone out, shovel someone's driveway without pay, and then, good things will happen. Like, I'm not saying that as a do this and this will happen, but when I give, I feel a lot happier, and that's what I get from it. Is that when I have an opportunity to serve someone else, that I feel benefit just in my feelings, that I feel very lucky to do that. And he just hit a cigarette. All right, we're back. Let's get inside and let's work on this car. Hopefully we have everything we need. I guarantee we're gonna walk in there and he's gonna need something else. We're back. What you guys got done?
You guys break.
You guys break anything else?
My heart.
And we got a brass brush. So
And it's very
hopefully it's small
expensive.
enough. So why do they have to be brass?
So you don't damage the steel. Will remove the other steel or the cast iron or aluminum.
Okay.
Brass will not.
Okay. So I just didn't know.
One's
so.
a grinder, one's a toothbrush. Some oil.
Where?
As he's slipping you off again.
Right there.
Yeah, where did that come from?
In the oil.
What is that? These
Metal and oil.
Would that just be
That's not good.
probably just from when we shave stuff?
No.
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Now flipping the engine off, but like.
Alright, let's. Does look somewhat glittery. Looks pretty glittery.
You know why?
Jackson, what?
Okay, let's
That's
walk-
metal.
Yeah, he said there's metal in there. You just have to flush
That's
that.
a lot of metal. A lot of metal.
It's not from just when we cut?
It's
You tell me
shiny.
if that's. Look at this. Look at this. You see this?
The oil is shiny.
See all that?
Okay.
He said that there was
No.
shiny oil. You just have to flush
It's on the ground. You see the gray stuff?
Get it out.
Ooh.
That's all metal.
No, I mean, let's see that.
I don't know what that means, but
Means you have a very, very, very torn up cylinder in there. Or someone pulled a us earlier on the last time I worked on it and shaved metal into the engine.
We're hoping that's the case. Probably is.
That's not.
Why would we take the old ones out of this one anyway?
I don't know. I don't think they realize what they're doing.
What have we resorted to, Brett?
Violence.
We have been so unproductive today, it's not even funny. I feel like we've been here for, at this point, almost 3 hours, and we've got almost nothing done. Later, it is 3:07, and we are still on this.
Ready? Hold!
Three! Hit it. Kind of like here.
I'm trying.
There.
3, 2, 1. Ready?
Are you recording too?
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we don't. Oh boy.
3, 2, 1.
It's a mess out here.
Almost in.
We're close. It's taken us 3 hours to get this one thing. We've been working on that since
Ready?
I got here.
3, 2, 1.
No.
This is not how you're supposed to do it, but it's how we're doing it. We're shooting a piston through this car for startup.
Chance, move that stuff over there for me. I'm interested.
You're just into food a lot. Hey, it's not worth it, bro. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Position, gentlemen. 3, 9.
That's going to be the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a lot. And I need to get to 106 subscribers by the end of the month to be on track for my goal of 1K subscribers by the end of the year. And I'll be sure to have episode 9 coming out as soon as I can. See you guys in the next one.